All right, you guys. So this is me in the grocery store making sure that I have all of the ingredients that I need to make this homemade chicken noodle soup. And I wanted to do like a whole or young chicken. However, I did not find a whole or young chicken in Harris Teeter. So I had to get the Pilgrim's chicken fillets. I seasoned them really good, and I ended up putting this in to the refrigerator. This is the next morning, like between my breaks, when I put it in the oven. And then I got the water going, you guys. And I'm getting ready to drop these noodles over in here. Now, I did not have any olive oil. I usually would put that in the water so that the noodles are not all sticky or just like dry. I had already put on and boiled the carrots, and I'm just checking on the noodles again to make sure that, you know, they're not overcooking. So, yes, I am wrapped up, you guys, because I be so cold. My iron is so low, y'all. But I was over here cutting up this, I think it's thyme. I don't want to say it wrong. I really didn't know what was good or what wasn't good. So what I ended up doing, I just ended up using what I could use, and I put it all in sorry, y'all. I put it all in the soup. And as you can see, I got celery up here that I'm getting ready to cut up as well. I probably could have cut that up a little smaller now that I'm going back watching this. But I'm cutting up the celery. That part of it, I'm throwing it away. So that's why I'm stepping off to throw away all that extra stuff, because I like to have a clean area. Sped it up a little bit for you guys so you can actually see and not have to just sit here and it be awkward. Sorry, y'all. The children are here. I cut up carrots because I didn't realize I was going to have all of those carrots. And then I just put everything together. And then what I'm doing now is just getting more out of the pot so that it could be enough to distribute throughout the whole soup. I did not have a big boiler pot that I realized, because I wanted to just let it sit in a boiler pot. But I ended up, I ended up having to put this in like a pan, one of those pans that you put your food in for Thanksgiving. Yeah, so I'm sorry about that, y'all. I am at home. Y'all know on the weekends I'm flexible. When I'm not doing hair, I'm tending to the babies, and they are super loud, and I wanted this to be realistic, so I don't think I will go back and cut this out. This is my first time ever doing a voiceover, but I'm just trying to see how it's going to turn out, because I might do more of these videos. I actually like watching shorter videos sometimes. So I'm cutting this stuff up, and I'm getting ready to put it into my soup. And yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying this so far. Like I said, this is my first time doing a voiceover. And yeah, look at me, y'all. I'm just acting in my, I would say this is masculine energy at its finest, because I'm literally at work, using my breaks, cooking, handling this, trying to make sure the kids have a dinner when they get home. It's a lot. But mentally, I am learning how to just take a mental break in between, because I don't really have a support system to just take an actual mental break. So I hope you guys can understand, like, yes. And this is my rice, y'all. I cooked some good rice. This is jasmine rice, and I did cut up some butter and throw it in there. Yes, and that has a little bit of carrot on it. I'm sorry, but yeah, I put that in there, and it was really good. Like, the babies liked it. They ate a little bit of the soup. And I end up chopping up the chicken after I put it in the oven. I really wanted a young chicken. Like, I did not want any, like, my chicken like that. I didn't. But it still turned out well. And I thank God for allowing me to be able to prepare a meal and be in, you know, a position to where I can. Because it's very hard right now. A lot of us are barely hanging on. And then, you know, outside of my normal job, I do hair and stuff. So it could be very hard, but I know I'm a little late, and I do want to participate in Vlogmas, so I will be vlogging every day for, I think it's the first 25 days in December. I don't know if these will all be, I really don't know if these will all be Christmas-related videos, because of the fact that this one is not. I do have some clips of when I went looking for ornaments and stuff like that, and I'll probably put that one up next, since I might go out today and look for more ornaments and stuff like that. But look at that chicken, y'all. And then I cut it up. It was really good. I did not get a picture of when all this was done, because mind you, I am rushing. But this is me just trying to show you the chicken stock that I used. And then this is me finally cutting up the chicken, y'all. So I did not realize how long of a voiceover this was. So as you can see, I'm kind of rambling. So I might just put on a little bit of music right here so you guys can listen. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.